Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT P50 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application, and now we can see by tap to the right upper corner that we're logged in here in Gmail account in Gmail app. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, select our account, and just to log out from here we should click to remove account, and just to confirm our action we should click remove account again. Now we can see that in Google account settings we have now just logged in accounts, so that's why we should go back to the application. And now we can see that we also log out from Google account in Gmail app. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.